Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hajra Kamran and I'm from the Department of PS Biotechnology. Today the topic of my presentation is periodic trends. So if you're talking about periodic trends, the first question arises in our mind that what are the periodic trends? Basically the periodic trends are the regular variation in the properties of an element with the increasing atomic number. There are basically 5 atomic properties that are principally responsible for the characteristics of an element. These are atomic radius, electronegativity, electron affinity, polarizability, and ionization energy. So I'll show you the diagram of this. Here is the diagram. As you can see, there in blue there is electron affinity there and there, and in black there is atomic radius there and there. In red there is electron negativity there and there. In blue, polarizability there and there. And in black there is in gray there is ionization energy there and there. So if we talk one by one about these periodic trends, so the atomic radius, as you can see in the diagram, the arrow shows that it decreases from left to right across a period and increases down the group. And if we talk about ionization energy, it increases from left to right and decreases down the group due to the effective nuclear charges. If we talk about electronegativity, as you can see in the diagram, that arrow shows that increases from left to right across the period and decreases down the group. If we talk about the polarizability, it decreases from left to right and increases down the group, as you can see that the arrow shows. The last one, which is electron affinity, that is basically the measure of an energy released when an anion is formed, as you can see in the diagram. At last, fluorine has the highest electron affinity except the noble gases. So I hope you can understand it better in that way. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.